Hi, today I'm front of me REALME GT Neo 3T and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that scroll down and tap to the sounds and vibration. If you want to turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, you should click here on the switcher. To do that, you can set the schedule, the start and the end time of the the don't disturb mode option. We can allow notifications, messages, calls from anyone, no one, from start contacts. You can also silence media in don't disturb mode and to use repeated calls. So here we can see the sound mode. We can change it to the vibration or the silent mode by this way. We can see that when the silent mode is activated, our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. When we'll unmute the ringtone, we can see that the silent mode switch to the ring mode automatically. So here we can see the volume panels. Just we can change media, ringtone and notifications and alarms volume just by hold and slide to the left or to the right side. Here we can change the ringtone and notification sound, and just let's see what's here. What's the next option? The vibration on the ring, vibration intensity feature. We can switch it just the vibration intensity on ring mode and notification vibrations. Just hold and slide to the left or to the right side as dots. We can also use here the haptics and tones settings. We can turn them on or turn them off by click on the switcher and to change the haptic intensity. Also we can use the sounds. We can turn on or turn off the dial pad tones, the screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion, fingerprint animation sound and touch sounds. So just to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. Let's go back. If you want to use the Dolby Adams, you can use this option here, and in advanced settings we can see here the volume button function. Now we have selected the media volume, so just by press to the up or to the down volume button will change the media, and when we'll switch it to the ringtone, we can see that will change the ringtone volume. And also you can switch the default recorder from the auto select to add on and back, and you can use also the in-ear monitoring option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.